AI system from livexlaw.com can instantly explain the legal issues clients face these challenges. And we're about to release 15 new videos, each one showing real problems that people face and how an AI system from livexlaw.com can instantly explain the legal issues. What does it mean, Mahmoud? We're not a law firm. We are a legal technology company that makes the law simple and accessible. Our AI provides clear explanations so you can understand your options before taking the next step. And this is not just for founders or CEO. These situations matter to everyone, whether you are a starting business, signing an employment contract, negotiating with investors, renting an apartment, or dealing with family and everyday legal issues. Both Chinese and foreigners clients face these challenges, and AI helps break them down step by step. Follow the channel and stay with us, because in the next 15 videos you will see how legal technology makes the law clearer, faster, and most practical for real life. Bye bye. Have a nice day.